Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Steven here. Today we are looking at the Fairwin bamboo compression socks. These are a men's bamboo viscous compression sock that looks really nice as a dress item, but is totally appropriate for daily wear. So let's get into the package and see what we get. All right, so here we are at the workbench. They do come vacuum sealed, so it sometimes is deceiving because they are really, really thin. But I'll open this up and show you how they come. So as you can see, once you get the outer plastic off, they sort of puff back up with some air. So it's not quite as flat as it looks when it first arrives. Now, I love packs like this because they allow you to kind of get a nice color palette, which is really nice for dress wear. So as somebody who dresses for work daily and I am pairing slacks and dress shirts and ties, a simple color palette like this lets me match that to what I'm wearing and with the shoes that I'm choosing and all the other accessories. So for me, wearing these for kind of work or daily use, there's some features that I look for in socks like this. And one of them is this elastic portion around the arch. And so this portion I find to be very valuable because then you don't get that sock slide. And that's just a pet peeve of mine. These are really an interesting item because they do compression, graded compression, all the way up. If you look closely, you can see here all of these ridges of compression built right into the sock. And that's really nice. It'll do 15 to 20 millimeters of mercury of compression. I stand all day, and so doing standing type work, that compression is really helpful. I also love socks like this for travel because when you're sitting on an airplane seat and if you know anything about blood clots, blood clot risk is kind of a really important thing to know about when you're traveling. So if you're going to spend 19 hours on a flight, having some compression socks is a really, really important thing. So not just for kind of work or even daily wear, but I think as a nice sock for travel, these are great. And having that color palette to be able to match is also pretty fantastic. The fiber that they use is this kind of bamboo viscous fiber, and it's nice and soft. It still looks dressy enough on the outside, so if my pants come up and somebody sees the socks, it's not a big deal because they have the nice color that looks like it goes with whatever. But the inside is soft enough to not be rough on the skin, but you're still getting a significant amount of compression, that up to 20 millimeters of mercury compression, which is really great. Additionally, having all of these elastic sections where they are at the midfoot, the ankle, and then up through the calf prevents them from pinching and bunching. So it'll create like a nice slimming effect on the legs as well. Here you can see me in the small to medium size compression socks, and this size works really well for me. I wear a size 9.5 shoe, and they come all the way up to the knee. They fit snug across my arches, right where they should. That elastic portion comes right across the arch for me. And so they are the right size. They're really well made. You can really stretch them pulling them on, but they're not that difficult to get on. But you do really feel the compression. That 15 to 20 millimeters of mercury of compression is I think pretty accurate according to what they're saying on the packaging. So there you have it. Ultimately, I think what Fairwin is doing with these dress and compression socks is great, and I really do love the packs. They come in solid color packs, so if you just want one of the colors over the rest, you can still get those, but I prefer the variety packs, and so that's what I've got here. As always, I appreciate you for tuning into my reviews. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks again. Bye-bye.